The state's emergency management agency is activated for the storm.
And 22 News reporter Alicia Machado is live in Framingham at MEMA headquarters.
The Massachusetts Emergency Management Agency has been activated since 6 this morning to assist cities and towns with issues they may face during the storm. One major concern for MEMA right now is power outages. As you can see on the map, most of those outages right now are concentrated in the eastern portion of the state, but there is one pocket in Hampden County. It's unclear yet if strong winds and snow may cause more outages in western Massachusetts. More than 24 representatives from agencies including the Department of Public Utilities and American Red Cross are here at MEMA headquarters. Today's storm is expected to bring blizzard conditions and several inches of snow, as much as 14 inches here in the eastern part of the state. According to MEMA's director, cities and towns have been able to handle issues locally so far, but they're ready to provide support if needed.
We've been keeping an eye on this storm for a couple days now, getting updates from the National Weather Service about what the potential impacts are. So everything from the snowfall amounts to the potential for coastal flooding, wind gusts, and the potential for power outages, and then sharing that information with our partners.
Aside from headquarters here in Framingham, MEMA has 3 regional offices, including one located in Agawam. For more information on disaster assistance programs and shelters, you can call 211. It's the state's 24/7 emergency hotline. Live in Framingham, Alicia Machado, 22 News.